Hello, you are all welcome to AI web creation class. All right. In this class, we're going to be learning how to. This introduction class actually is very broad, so this is an introduction to AI web creation class. So we are going to be using an app. This app, I think in our introduction we talked about this app. You can go and download it on Play Store. Okay, all this app has pro version. If we are capable of getting the pro version, we'll also let you know. If not, you can just use the free version. So this is on Play Store or Apple Store. You can go ahead and download the app. So basically, we're just going to go through the app. We're just going to check what is possible with this app. All right, because I think in the next few classes we are going to be focusing on this web design with AI because it's actually more broad than we look. All right, it's broad because you need some few programming skill in order for you to make use of it. Okay, like I said, you need some programming skill in order for you to make use of it. Unlike other things you create with AI, like video and some other stuff, once you create video or animation, you are done. But once you create a website with AI, you are left with the responsibility of making edits, uploading to server, making it live. All right, you can see Kimi can do doc. Not everything you see online is free this period. So there's document. You can create complete document for you. Complete project. I think we'll be doing all that. Okay, complete project. You can do that for you. You can even add a photo and tell him what to do with the photo. Okay, he can do web search and do a lot for you. He can do white sheet. You know what whiteboard? This explanation whiteboard. He can do that for you. Okay, so there are so many things that you can do deep research, like what you can use DeepSeek for, like your ChatGPT and some other stuff. But one of the most intriguing part of this particular Kimi is that it designs a very responsive website for you. Okay, so I'm just going to go there I want to create something now. All right, so I've already clicked on the website generation. Now these are templates that is showing me. In other words, I can click any of these templates and tell him to generate something that look like this for me, and I will tell Kimi what to do with it. All right, so I'm going to pick one of these. Okay, this one look like a model site. I will tell Kimi now. All right, so I'm going to tell Kimi to use this template and design a website for me, a model website. See the website, the color, it look feminine. Okay, so you can see the prompt, very short. This is not what you're supposed to do, though this is an introduction, so I'm just trying to show you something. So this is a prompt, very short prompt. It's not by being long, it is the message that it carries. Okay, this is a very short prompt that I want to put out here. Let me go through it so that I will click on that. Alright, you can see this is a new account. I use new account for all the classes, so let me just sign up quickly so that we can start generating websites. I'm just going to hit on continue. Alright, it's okay. It's done loading. Okay, now, so I'm already signed in now, so I'll go ahead and click on that arrow sign. That's to send this information. Okay, you can see that your screen is divided into two. Mind you, this is an app. Okay, this is the website. It has a website and it has an app. So I'm using the website because I'm using my laptop for this course. So I'm using my website now. You can use your app. It will give you the same procedure. So let me explain to you what's going on here. You can see on the left hand side, he's telling you what he's generating. All right, anything that he's generating is showing it on the right hand side, so that you will know how far he has gone, all right, what he's creating. It will get to a point you want to create button, it will show you on the right hand side, okay, and what is generating is showing on the left hand side. In other words, it's carrying you along so that you will know what is creating. All right, you can see this is just it's showing you the look of the site, how it's going to look like. Like I said, I gave it a prompt that you should create a model site for me. So you can see it's still thinking, it's still loading, and it's still creating. So it's not done yet. You can see, so it's that prompt now. He's telling that he's just trying to, write out the things that he's doing with the information you gave. So just so you be sure that he's doing the right thing for you. So that's the write-up you see there. You see, we didn't give this kind of write-up, but he's not generating it to what he was able to grab from the prompt we gave to it. You can see it's showing us the images that he generated. Now, mind you, these images now was generated by this same Kimi for the purpose and for the completion of this site. Okay, you know that he's just trying to show you now that he's generating this image for the site. All these things are needed for the site, so he's showing you on the right hand side things that he's generating from the left hand side. So he's trying to show you that he generated this kind of image and he's placing it on the website. He's doing complete build up for the web designers. Okay, so this particular part of it, I think the web designers, people that are in the web design class, will also have to attend something like this. It is very, very needed. Okay, very, very needed. Because at the end of the day, it's going to give us a complete website. But that is where your work starts after the creation. Okay, because there's a lot of things to do after that. Alright, so it's almost done with the creation. And when it's done, it's going to give us a brief look at what we are going to be expecting. Alright, so it's almost done. Okay, as you can see, you can check your right hand side. You can see on the left hand side, you can see it's still generating. It's currently generating what you are seeing here now, which is the talent, that environment, what is loading now. So it's done with that other one. Now it's generating this other part, which is the down part. This comes close to the footer part of it. That means he is almost done with the website. Okay, I guess it's done generating it. So now it's time for us to see what he has created. So it's loading it, Right, this is the website that we have created now. So in order to preview it, you can see preview at the top, the left hand side of it. So click on preview. When you click on preview, it's going to take you to another window. So if I copy this link now and send to you, you will open it on your browser and you will see the website that was designed by this Kimi, live and direct. Alright, so I'm just going to navigate through it. That's the image he was creating. It took almost 40 minutes to create. That image you are seeing there is a very high quality image. Mind you, he didn't pick these things from the web. He generated everything by itself. That's why it took time to let you know things that he's creating. In case you don't like what he's building, you can just stop it and start again. Give it another prompt to give you a better design. So this is what you can understand with the prompt I gave. From that short prompt that I gave to it, this is your understanding from it. And tell me if this thing is not perfect. If you have seen other website before, you have seen website designed by people, you tell me that now this website is not that perfect because the prompt is very short. So he's just using his own idea to generate this thing for us. So once we go deep into it, you will see that there's a lot of things you can do. There is a lot of things you can do with this AI. It's just that there are some extra idea that you need. So we are going to just go over to another page to preview it proper so that we'll see the complete view of the website that we have generated with the Kimi AI. All right. Okay. Now tell me, is this not beautiful? Talent categories. You can see what he did here. All these things are covered until you hover on it. The program is called hover. Okay, until your mouse gets to it before you open up for you. All these are pages. All these things link to other pages. But in the prompts that we gave to it, we didn't ask Kimi to create pages. Right? So if you click on it, it's not going to take you to anywhere because we did not ask Kimi to create page. I said I should create a landing page. Alright, a landing page is usually just one page. So if we ask Kimi to create other pages, the prompt is going to be longer and we're going to take time to make sure we address that prompt very well. There is no need to give it a prompt if the prompt is not going to generate a better result. Okay, so I only asked him to design one page website. You can see all this page now. It's just that he gave you those pages. Those are the possibility, the pages that are supposed to be there. But there's nothing there. If you click on it, it will not take you anywhere because he didn't create any other page for it. So this website you are seeing now should have up to about 15 pages. Okay. So you can see that's the URL. So if I send this URL to you, I will send it on the description of this class so that you can go and check it out yourself and see what we are able to generate with this short class that we have today. Okay, so I'm just going to, so this is the image that he was creating. I actually love the image. You know, when I say model, he went and brought or created all the image. There's no copyright. There's no copyright. As you can see, this image you are seeing was AI generated, so nobody can hold you for copyright. That my picture is in your website. Where's my image in your website? That's making payment without paying me. All these copyright issues. You understand? AI is free of copyright because the information, you can compare information. Right. So let me just go back to our design environment. So you can take a look at the prompt. Let's take a look at the prompt that gave us this design again. All right. So from here you can learn a thing or two. He didn't just create it, but he gave you a breakdown of the things he did. Just in case you wanted to give you a complete website with all the pages, Kimi can actually design a website with 15 pages and all the pages will be intact. Now he's trying to show you the things he created, how he was able to do it to generate this particular website. Now from here you can learn a thing or two to be able to write a prompt that will be able to create a complete and fully functioning website that will link you to different pages. Alright, so all those pages we are seeing there, now once you click on it, it will take you to other pages. We will just more prompt away from it. Alright, so in our next class we are going to be diving deep into web development, and I think we are going to get a free hosting company and look for how to host our website. We will create a complete website. Okay, as time goes on, we'll have to do that, create a complete website and try to host it. That means you can actually design a website if you are not a programmer, but we have to do some teach you guys some little thing about programming so that you'll be able to edit. And because if you are going to upload it to your server, you must have a bit knowledge of programming and all those stuff to install your website in case there are things you need to change. There are some code, you need to edit. So you don't have to be a programmer at all before you can do this. Just need a little knowledge. Just 2 class away can teach you how to manage such website, okay, from AI. Right, so that's the difference between website and other things that you create with AI. If you are creating images now, you don't need anything to do again after you have created the image. If you are creating video, once you are done, you are done. But now this website is more complicated because it has to do with programming aspect of it. That's why programmers are going to be here till forever. Okay, you must need their knowledge. It is programmers that can actually use this thing very well. They can just go there and design it. They complete it from the back end. All right, they can just within a day create a website of which is not supposed to be possible. Something that would take them like let's say 3 weeks. They would do it within 24 hours using AI. But you can also do the same. Okay, there are some, you don't need deep knowledge in order to do that. Alright, so in our next class we're going to be looking deep into this stuff. Okay, so I will see you in my next class.